In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Wix subscription. We'll walk through this slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen and make sure your subscription is properly cancelled. Before we start, make sure you're already logged into your Wix account and that you're on the main dashboard for your site. From your Wix dashboard, look toward the top of the page for the search bar. This is usually located near the top center or top right of the dashboard. Click on that search bar to activate it. The search bar is a quick way to jump straight to the settings you need without having to dig through multiple menus. Once the search bar is open, type the word Premium. As you type, Wix will suggest different pages and settings related to your premium services and billing. Give it a second to load the options and then look for the suggestion that says Premium Subscriptions. When you see that option appear, click on it. This will take you directly to the section where all of your paid plans are managed. After the page loads, you'll be on the Premium Subscription screen. Here, Wix will show all of your active and possibly past subscriptions linked to your account. This can include website premium plans, business or e-commerce plans, and sometimes other premium services. Take a moment to review what's listed so you know exactly which subscription you're about to cancel. If you see the subscription you want to cancel in the list, move your mouse over that specific plan. On the right-hand side of that subscription row, you should see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. This menu is where Wix keeps additional actions you can take for that particular plan. From the small menu that appears, look for the option that says Cancel Plan. Go ahead and click on Cancel Plan. At this point, Wix may show you a confirmation window, possibly asking why you're cancelling or reminding you of what you'll lose, such as premium features or a custom domain connection. Read any messages carefully so you understand that the plan will no longer renew. Then follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the cancellation. Once you've done that, your Wix subscription will be set to cancel, usually at the end of the current billing period. You can always return to the Premium Subscriptions page to double-check the status and make sure it shows as cancelled or